At Burke, I'm an occupational therapist, and I'm also the clinical team leader of the spinal cord injury program. As an occupational therapist, I work to rehabilitate patients after injury or illness, focusing mostly on the things that matter most to them, such as bathing, dressing, toileting, potentially cooking, whatever they need to do to be independent at home. As a clinical team leader, I supervise occupational therapy, physical therapy, and speech pathology for specifically the spinal cord injury population, where we all are working together to get those individuals home as safely and as independent as possible. Burke is a leader in rehabilitation because it is committed to innovation and progress. Some of the ways we do that are through different programs as well as different technologies. So in the spinal cord injury program, we have many technologies that help a person walk again, help a person be able to use their environment when they don't necessarily have the motor function to do so. They're also dedicated to new ideas and new programs. Neuromusic therapy began at Burke in 2021 due to a partnership with MedRhythms, a company based in Portland, Maine, which focuses on neuromusic therapy services as well as digital therapeutics. Through this partnership, we were able to bring on our first part-time neuromusic therapist, thanks to philanthropic dollars brought in by various donors. We are reliant on that philanthropy to continue the program because music therapy is not yet considered a standard of care in other rehabs. As a result, we are pioneering this as one of the first programs in the country and the first program in an inpatient rehabilitation center in New York State. Since its beginning, we have been able to expand our services from inpatient to also include outpatient services, now using the innovative telehealth to provide virtual services and reach people in the community. Our goal is to increase access to neuromusic therapy and reach as many people as possible because we believe this is the future of rehab. We believe that neuromusic therapy, in conjunction with occupational physical speech and recreational therapy, really is critical to maximizing a person's recovery.
You can expect to receive the highest quality of innovative care when you come to Burke Rehabilitation.
We are committed to providing patients with the best care available. The neuromusic therapy program specifically was funded by a grant as well as private donors, and we are relying upon that generosity to continue the program. One thing about Burke is that we are committed to working together as an interdisciplinary team to address the entire person. Through the various therapies, as well as nursing and social work, we are trying to address all of the needs a person has. Neurologic Music Therapy augments these services because they address impairments such as speech, language, memory, mobility, alongside the other therapists to work together to allow a person to achieve their maximum function, their maximum independence. We also try to use the music of interest to them and be person-centered in all that we do. One of the reasons I love working at Burke is because I believe Burke is truly committed to providing the best care possible. And we have an openness to new ideas, new services. We want to be leaders in rehab. So administration's willing to take chances on programs such as neuromusic therapy or other technologies because we believe this is important and is the future of rehab.